Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix file is open in another program error in Windows 11, 10. Open System Configuration. Check Safe Boot. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.